What's up, guys? Today we're doing slime. We already did a couple. Here's the ones we're doing now. As you don't see, we put some orange in there. It looks like pink. That one has gold in it. And they're pretty sticky. I got this for my birthday. And you. It's gonna be fun to play with. Clear slime. Okay, I'm not playing with that one right now. Need to go wash this off, guys.
I think I'm just gonna do the clear slime.
Next.
Or the clear glue, just because we. Yeah, this is. I don't know what's going on here.
Okay.
I'm not touching this.
Touching what? The slime?
Slime, yeah. You can put it. It's kind of. It's right there.
Okay.
Give me a thingy.
There you go.
Uh-uh.
Another thingy?
No, not yet.
With the purple?
I gotta mix that one, but yeah, we'll.
Oh, wait.
We will rinse it out.
Yeah, I'll rinse it out.
Actually, just let me do it. You really gotta clean it.
Okay.
My fingers are sticky because of slime.
Yeah, it's very sticky. Oh, yeah, guys. Oh, I put in my room. Look, I got a Minecraft set here. And look at this. This is awesome. I'm going to take a video of this. Anyways, let's go. Here's my pink slime. I don't want to touch it. At least this one's ready to play with.
Hey.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Watch this
Oh,
out.
never mind. I told you that I would do it. Never mind. Sorry. That's pretty.
You do? Yeah, I do too.
The purple or the.
How are you supposed to mix it with that one?
Oh shit, we are mixing them up.
Uh-huh.
So you're gonna have to add we're gonna have to divide them.
What does that mean?
If we put them together, it's not all gonna fit in one of these.
I wish they gave us bigger ones.
Well, what we make fits in there perfectly, babe.
We should have mixed them at the start.
I don't know how well these are gonna mix, but we can try.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm surprised. Look.
I don't know, Maya. I don't think we should mix them. Will you help me, please?
Yeah. What do you need?
Pull that freaking shit off. No, on the end. It's stuck. Look, it's all connected right there.
I'll hold here.
I'm not mixing them. You can try later.
you go.
I'm not. Let's get this in the thing.
Okay, here you go.
So stuck.
Yeah, guys, this is
They
the...
make it look so easy in the pictures. It's not.
Yeah.
Shut up, Tanner. Get the fuck out of my face. Oh my god.
Okay. These are the glitter we have. I'm waiting to put more glitter on them. Yeah. I haven't really done a lot of videos in a while. Except that one I took yesterday, I think. Yeah, it's sticky slime.
Retarded slime. Have you ever noticed I've never got you one of these? Because I knew how bad it was gonna be. I've always thought about it. But I don't. But look at Mom. I'm the one doing it.
I know.
It's okay.
And I'm still posting this video
Oh my
on YouTube. See how you struggle with slime.
Tanner, did you know I'm not beautiful because I have pimples?
Huh?
Did you know I'm not beautiful because I have pimples? I love you. She doesn't even think she's beautiful.
My face doesn't really look.
It is
You're
freaking.
the prettiest.
You're the gorgeous. You're the.
You guys almost died on number 3.
Yeah. And we were done. We made 4.
Yeah, I'll be done for now.
I bet it thickens it later.
I hope so.
But I'm gonna go hide these in my room somewhere.
Put them in a box and.
Wait, where's that huge blue box? Oh, it's already over here.
What's inside?
Nothing. I can do that, guys. I can hide all my slime in there and forget about it. Kind of what I always do.
So it's out of sight, out of mind. Just hit the bees, baby.
Guess what I saw for the first time, guys? A hornet and a wasp.
Here. Get this off the table. Clear that up. Oh my God.
Okay,
But,
I need a lid. We need lids for these ones. Where'd the lids go?
here.
They're in here.
A couple. Or maybe one.
It's just one.
And then they're somewhere over there.
I know where they are. I found them. But yeah, guys, it's kind of hard to see with my phone filming a video.
No, you're just all in here. No.
I'll throw the rest of these boxes away. There we go, guys. Bye-bye, guys. See you later.